All right, kiddos, buckle up because today we're diving into the wild world of C language operators. Now imagine these operators as a bunch of quirky characters, each with their own unique personality. First up, we have the arithmetic operators. They're like members of a math club, always adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing numbers. Oh, and don't forget about the percent operator, the club's resident remainder specialist. They're the ones who make sure everything adds up perfectly. Next, we have the relational operators. These guys are like drama club members, always comparing things and stirring up some excitement. They love to play with equals, and equals, creating all sorts of thrilling scenarios. It's like a never-ending soap opera. Now let's meet the logical operators. These deep thinkers are all about making logical decisions. They use and to connect ideas and to flip things around. They're like the philosophers of the operator world, always pondering the meaning of true and false. But wait, there's more. Meet the bitwise operators, the secret spies of the group. They use and to uncover hidden bits, to merge them, and care to flip them around. And don't even get me started on and. These guys are like the James Bonds of the coding world, always up to some sneaky bit manipulation. Now let's give a round of applause to the assignment operators. They're the organizers of the operator world, making sure everything falls into place. From equals to plus equals and dash equals, they're the ones who keep everything running smoothly. They're like the master planners behind the scenes. And finally, we have the miscellaneous operators, the oddballs of the group. They may not fit into any specific category, but they sure know how to make things interesting. From size of to and asterisk, dash, and colon, they add a touch of quirkiness to the operator family. So there you have it, my little coding enthusiasts. C language operators may seem complex, but with a little humor and sass, you'll master them in no time. So go out there, have fun, and remember, coding is all about embracing your inner cat.